Alrighty, we're back. Oops. Sorry for the cut off earlier. So Bajong is still working on her spaghetti, but she wanted 2 more of the Jello. So we'll show you. They are called Jelly Bar, and they come in this little cute pink purse, and you get roughly about maybe like 15 to 20 of these single packets, and it costs us $2.99. All right, so Bajong picked out the purple one. That's her favorite color. Is purple your favorite color? And then a white clear one. So what I usually do, I just cut the top off like this, and then she can eat it. Okay, show them. And here's my spring roll. I gotta dip it in some spicy fish sauce. Mmm. 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 There you go.
Yeah, your own. You don't borrow mine.
We're gonna eat our noodles. Come on. Cheers. Come on, cheers. Cheers. Mmm. Mommy's noodles are spicy. One more? Show them what color you got.
Hello. Okay.
Okay, you gotta show them. Go like this. Alrighty. Okay, here you go, Boo Boo. Here you go, Bajong.
Mom, look.
Yeah.
I like this one, this one.
You do? What happened? I'm excited to eat the hot wings. Can't have hot wings without ranch, right? Without dip. Okay, finish the rest of your spaghetti, Bajong. Good girl. We love eating noodles. What? You want chicken? Chicken? Show them. Show them your chicken. Is it hot or no? Show them. Okay. Is that a hot wing? Ooh, don't eat the red parts. Too spicy. Ayo. Ayo. Got a little hot sauce on there.
What?
Again? Again?
This, no. Every color is orange. Can I get on?
I think you've already had like 6.
6.
No more, okay?
Wait, how do I put it away?
Yeah, put those away.
Right here or there?
I'm showing your friends. So delicious, huh? What? Spicy? Oh no, yeah, I forgot, baby. Uh-oh. You okay? Don't eat the wrapper. Don't eat the wrapper part.
Like that, though.
Don't eat the wrapper. It's gonna be spicy, boo-boo. You don't like this one?
Like it.
Okay. I love drenching. I love a lot of ranch. Drenched in ranch. That's what I meant to say. Mmm. 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 Okay. More noodles? More spaghetti for you? Come on, let's finish our noodles. Come on, Bruno. Okay, you ready? Let's race.
Yeah.
Mmm. I think we were at a tie. I think we tied. We both win? Yay! Woo woo! What are you doing? What's that? So, in my Tupperware, I had like...
Spicy.
Yeah, it was spicy wings. And it was a mix of hot sauce and blazing sauce from Buffalo Wild Wings. And you know what? After eating the fire noodles, I can't even tell which wing I'm eating. Which flavored wing I'm eating.
Look at my
I
clothes.
think this might be the blazing. Ooh, I love your purse.
It looks like such special
Yeah, that's so cute.
purse.
Alrighty, see you guys again.
Bye.
Bye.